Hey guys, got a 2022 plate BMW 4 Series here. Just going to show you how to check the service life on this one. So on here, we're going to go to the center console and use these buttons in the center console down here. And first press the home button, so I'll bring you up with this screen. Then scroll down to car, clicking the dial. Then vehicle status, and scroll across to service requirements, and then from here it's going to tell you when to inspect the vehicle, your engine oil life. So on this one, for example, we have August 2026 till the next service.